Alrighty then, again warm welcome. I'm genuinely grateful that you are here. Awesome to have you on board. Before you do anything else, I simply want to welcome you personally to the God Inside Inner Circle. Your journey starts here, and I am so glad you are here. The fact that you've joined this community tells me something. It tells me that you're open to growth, willing to ask deeper questions, and ready to explore the possibility that life can be lived differently. Whether you've arrived here through loss, change, uncertainty, or simply a longing for something more, I want you to know that you are welcome here. You don't have to have all the answers. You don't have to pretend you've got everything figured out. You simply need a willingness to take the next step. And my dear friend, that's exactly what this community is designed to help you do. So, where do you start? It's really very simple. First, take a few minutes to watch this welcome video. Then, I'd love for you to introduce yourself in our welcome post. Tell us where you're from, what brought you here, what you're hoping to discover, and who you feel you are becoming. One of the beautiful things about community is that your story may become the encouragement someone else needs today. After that, begin with lesson 1, the God Inside Awakening. In lesson 1, we'll explore why the dark night of the soul may not have been the end of your story, but the beginning of a profound new chapter. Together, we'll begin to discover how life's greatest challenges can become the doorway to awakening, growth, and a deeper understanding of who you truly are. There's no need to rush. This isn't a race, it is a journey. Move through each lesson at your own pace, taking time to reflect on what you're learning and allowing it to become part of your everyday life. As we walk together, I'd like to invite you to bring 3 simple attitudes with you. Number 1, come with curiosity. Number 2, come with honesty. And number 3, come with kindness. If we do that together, I believe this can become far more than an online community. It can become a place where lives are transformed, friendships are formed, and people discover a deeper awareness of who they are and the life they were created to live. Thank you for trusting me to walk alongside you. I am truly honored to be part of your journey. Welcome to the God Inside Way Inner Circle. Let's walk this journey together. I'll see you in lesson 1. And in the meantime, have huge amounts of fun.